at some rainfall in Florida and also in the Midwest. Speaking of the Midwest, we're looking at a severe weather threat across that area today, mostly in portions of Illinois and also in portions of Indiana and Ohio, as that cold front continues to move across the area. Here, once again in the southeast, we're looking at warm conditions across the area. And speaking of warm conditions across the southeast, that is leading to very active tropics out there. We're dealing with right now Tropical Storm Rita, and right behind that we're looking at Tropical Storm Felipe. Although right now it looks like Felipe will not affect anyone, at least not the United States anyway. Rita, though, is going to be making landfall within the next couple of days. I'll have a little bit more on that in just a little bit. Taking a look at your national and local airports with the Golden Triangle, your potential delay is very, very low. DFW Dallas is also going to be very low. But then, when you get up into the Midwest, Chicago, looking at a moderate chance of delay. I checked on that right before I came in here, and they're looking at an hour and a half airport delays near Chicago due to thunderstorm activity. So be aware of that if you're planning on flying up towards that area of the country. Once again, they have a very, very strong cold front pushing across the Midwestern area today with severe storms across Illinois and Indiana. Here in our area, we're looking at hot and dry conditions and nice, very, very nice conditions. And once again, Tropical Storm Rita is just moving her rain bands into portions of Key West, Florida. Once again, there are evacuations orders out for that area today, so try not to fly to Florida for the next few days, at least Key West. Miami's probably going to be all right. A few delays due to some rainfall across the area. Once again, to mention the severe weather threat, we're looking at very strong storms across Illinois, Indiana, and portions of Ohio. Again, thunderstorms, very strong thunderstorms. You're getting very strong winds and a possibility of hail across the area today. This is going to be pushing towards the east into tomorrow, so if you're heading out to portions of Ohio, maybe even Pennsylvania, you're going to want to take your rain gear with you because it's going to be raining over there for at least the next few days. Behind the front, they're also looking at some rainfall, but it's not severe. It's just a little bit of rain. So keep an eye on these conditions if you're heading out to Chicago or portions of Ohio within the next few days. Satellite radar is going to show you some of those massive storms that moved across Chicago earlier today. Dropped quite a bit of rain in the Chicago area and pushed off into portions of Indiana and also into Michigan. For selected cities, the temperature tomorrow in West Point is going to be very nice with partly sunny conditions at 94 degrees. Locally in Birmingham, also 94 degrees. Key West, Florida, again, where Tropical Storm Rita is about to make landfall. It's going to be 86 degrees and very stormy along that area. And then in Little Rock, we're looking at 96 degrees. It's very warm in portions of Texas and in Arkansas. They were looking at 106 today in portions of Texas.